Do elephants eat peanuts?
No, elephant is not a class of animals that eat peanuts.
Welcome back to another Celebrity Sweets. I'm Ethan, and at the end of this month, Disney is releasing their newest kind of like cartoon to live action movie, and it's Dumbo, and I'm really excited for this one. Dumbo is kind of a sad movie, but it's super cute. He's an elephant with his friend like Timothy Mouse and the circus. So today we are going to be making some Dumbo inspired treats. They're going to be mini cakes that are going to be shaped as a sphere, covered in buttercream, fondant, and we're going to add on some iconic Dumbo details. The ingredients for this recipe are cake batter, light gray buttercream frosting, fondant in light gray, red, pink, and yellow. The first thing we want to do is to prepare our cake. The cake batter I'm using here is a peanut cake batter because I thought like elephants like peanuts, right? Or is that fake? Anyways, we're going to take this. I put it into a liquid measuring cup because it's easier to pour. And I'm going to pour it into this silicone mold. It's like half spheres. Fill the mold about 3/4 of the way full with batter and give it a tap on the table to release any air bubbles. Once you've filled all of like the cavities with cake batter, now I want to pop it into the oven at 350 degrees. And this is going to vary for everyone depending on what cake you use. I found that it takes about 20 to 22 minutes for a cake like this to be completely cooked. Our mini cakes are out of the oven. I let them cool, cut off the top, that kind of like hump of cake that bubbled over, and then allow them to cool completely. Now what we can do is to frost them. And I've got our light gray buttercream frosting here. Now since these are kind of like spheres, it's hard to ice them completely. So I actually took this buttercream frosting and put it in the microwave for like 7 seconds. You can see that's liquidy, but it's also still holding its shape. Now I just want to drizzle this and kind of completely coat all of these cakes with buttercream frosting. I've set our cakes off to the fridge to allow the buttercream to harden. And now what we can do is to roll out our fondant details. Now you can add whatever you'd like to your Dumbo. I'm going to add 3 things. His ears, because I think that's the most iconic thing Dumbo has. His yellow hat and his like red scarf. I'm going to start with the ears. And I made a template. Does that surprise anyone? No. Okay. And I'm just going to roll it out about 1/4 of an inch thick and then cut out a bunch of ears. I've cut out a bunch of gray ears and now I want to do that kind of like inside pink ear that the cartoony one has. Oh, just wait. This is my model for the day. So I'm going to put him here. Look at him. He can go back there. This time I'm going to roll the fondant about 1/8 of an inch thick and cut it out again using a template. For our red fondant, roll it out lengthwise, take a ruler and create a strip that's long enough to go around your entire cake. And for our yellow fondant, repeat the same process, roll it out about 1/4 of an inch thick, and using a template, cut out a big yellow hat. Our cakes are out of the refrigerator. You can see that the frosting has kind of formed a shell around the cake on the inside, which is just what we want. And now we can add on our final details, which are our fondant details. I've got our ears, which I went ahead and connected the pink and the gray with a little bit of water. Our hat and our scarf, and now we can start to decorate this cake. Start by taking your scarf and place it around the base. Then place on your ears. You might have to use toothpicks if the ears aren't staying. Finish off your little Dumbo with his nice yellow hat. And here we have our Dumbo mini cakes that we made today in honor of the new live-action Dumbo movie. We went back to the classic, this little guy over here, for our inspiration today, but the new movie looks amazing. We took a peanut butter cake, covered it in buttercream, and then added on a bunch of fondant details. This is an easy way to add character to any cake, and it's also super simple, and it's kind of like individual portions. If you happen to make this, please share with me on Instagram or Twitter. And if you have any other requests for another Celebrity Sweets, please leave it down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to share this video with someone who likes Dumbo, cakes, elephants, anything you saw in this video. And until next time, savor life and make it sweet. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking this cute little donut right here. If you're looking for more content, up here is my latest video where I made a Dan and Shay tequila key lime pie. And down here is what YouTube thinks you should watch. That's all for today. I will see you guys this Sunday.